All right, so I'm going to show you another really cool place you can go to, you can check out to create a really cool looking landing pages, really easy. This is actually one of my favorites personally. It's a Megaphone, right? Megaphoneapp.com. I'm actually going to post a link below this video for you to check it out as well. Again, these are, I'm just showing you the places that I use myself. You know what I mean? So again, check them out. You know, I'm not sure if you're going to use them, if you're not going to use them, but if you want to use them, you know, they're great. I personally use them. It works really good. Okay, something definitely, you know, you might want to check out. Now, this one is actually a little bit more expensive than the Elite Pages. I think Elite Pages like starts out at like 37 bucks a month. This one, I think, is like $47 or $49 a month to start. But what I love about Megaphone is its simplicity. It's produced by Kajabi. Okay, so, and Kajabi is actually a really good platform created for internet marketers by internet marketers. Really good stuff these guys produce. The reason I love Megaphone is for its simplicity, for its just how the pages look and feel. It's just pretty cool. Let me show you what's inside here. Okay, so I've logged into my account. Let's take a look at some templates here. Okay, so again, there is different things you can create here as well, like from sign up, which is your lead capture pages, to thank you pages, to download. Let's take a look at some of these. Right, these are your thank you pages, download pages. You know, even training pages you can do. Let's say if you want to do and create like a lead magnet, right? And you don't know how to design a website. Well, you can create a lead capture page. Okay, you can create your capture machine on the front end using the Megaphone platform. And then you can create the same platform. Using the same platform, you can create a training page to where you will get people redirected to, and this can be your lead magnet delivery page. You see what I'm saying? So you don't need to know any of the HTML. You don't even need to hire anybody. You know, you can do all of this here. You can create webinar registration pages, launch pages, sales pages here again, right? Pretty cool stuff. Special offer pages, you know, text only if you just want to create, you know, put up some kind of letter out there on the internet, and just use this service. Again, it's really cool, my friend. I love it personally. It's actually really easy to use. In fact, let me show you how to use. Let's just go ahead and pick one of these templates here. Test ITF. Okay, creating page. Now, what's really cool, this is actually really intuitive site and really intuitive navigation. Okay, so on the left here, you've got your URL settings. You know, if you want to use their URL, if you want to use custom domain URL, you know, you can do that. You can let's go ahead and X out of that. You can actually set your SEO settings. You can integrate it with, you know, your autoresponder, which is obviously, you know, all of them provide that. And, you know, to do that, you just click on it and, you know, and select, you know, just follow the instructions there. You know, it's pretty simple. I'm not going to do that here because I have my Megaphone set up with my Infusionsoft account, which is a little bit different than GetResponse. But essentially what you're doing here is you're going to integrate your capture page from Megaphone with your, if you are using, let's say, Aweber or Infusionsoft, or, you know, or using GetResponse or any of the other ones, they connect through something what's called API. Okay, and they excuse me, they have a tutorial on how to do that. You can integrate, you know, with Google Analytics here. Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, so yeah, that's, you know, you can change colors, but basically what we're looking at is the content. Okay, so background image, let's say we wanted to select this one. Okay, boom. See that? Pretty cool, right? I wanted to change it, boom, simple as that. Okay, changing your background image, you know, we can do this one, kind of like this one. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, you can upload your own image here as well. We can click on save. Now we move on to the headline, or you can just you know, put your cursor on here and click on edit. Okay, and this is where you enter your headline. I'll say, you know, 100% free. Okay, bam. Okay, see that? Make it bold. Click on save. Okay, now we added the you know, this text right here. You know, whatever you want to enter here, click on OK, right? Pitch, Again, same thing here. So everything is editable, my friend. You know, call to action, you know, you would edit it there. And then the button, you know, what do you want the button to say? And then this little thing below the button, okay? And so then it gives you your URL right at the top over here. See that? Right at the top, this is your URL, and that's how your page is gonna look like, okay? So pretty simple. I mean, I don't, you know, it's actually probably the simplest thing that's out there, you know, right now. That is Megaphone. So if you want to check it out, the link is going to be right below this video, my friend. You can create yourself some pretty cool looking landing pages and other sites as well.